Hi, it's Grandma Ray. I love children, I love books, and I especially love reading books to children. In this video, I'm recommending and reading Harry, the Dirty Dog. This book was written by Jean Zion, and the pictures are by Margaret Bloy Graham. Here we go. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except getting a bath. So one day, when he heard the water running in the tub, he took the scrubbing brush. Look, there he is running off with the scrubbing brush and buried it in the backyard. Then he ran away from home. Oh, looky there, he's running away. He played where they were fixing the street and got very dirty. There he is. Do you see him? He's playing in the dirt. He sure is getting dirty. He played at the railroad and got even dirtier. Can you see him in the picture? Can you find him? He's up here. Looky there. Right where all that dirty smoke is coming. He played tag with other dogs and became dirtier still. Oh, look at all the dogs. Lots of dogs to play with. But he is getting really, really dirty. He slid down a coal chute and got the dirtiest of all. In fact, he changed from a white dog with black spots to a black dog with white spots. Looky there, he's now black with white spots. Although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought he had really run away. He felt tired and hungry too. So without stopping on the way, he ran back home. Do you see what might be a problem? What do you think his family's going to say when he shows up? When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the back door. One of the family looked out and said, "There's a strange dog in the backyard. By the way, has anyone seen Harry?" Looky there. So they don't recognize him. When Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them he was Harry. He started to do all his old clever tricks. He flip-flopped and he flop-flipped. He rolled over and played dead. Oh, dogs can do all kinds of tricks. Some dogs can do all kinds of tricks. He danced and he sang. He did these tricks over and over again. But everyone shook his head and said, "Oh no, it couldn't be Harry." Why do they think it's not Harry? Remember, he started out a white dog with black spots. He doesn't look the same. Harry gave up and walked slowly toward the gate. But suddenly he stopped. He ran to a corner of the garden and started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the hole, barking short, happy barks. What did he do? Can you think about what he might have done? Let's see. He found the scrubbing brush and he carried it in his mouth and he ran into the house. Up the stairs he dashed with the family following close behind. Well, that would surprise you, wouldn't it, to have what you think is a strange dog run into your house with a scrubbing brush. He jumped into the bathtub and sat up begging with the scrubbing brush in his mouth, a trick he certainly had never done before. This little doggy wants a bath," cried the little girl, and her father said, "Why don't you and your brother give him one?" Well, that would be good, wouldn't it? Be a very nice thing to do for that strange dog. Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mommy, Daddy, look, look, come quick. It's Harry, it's Harry, it's Harry," they cried. Harry wagged his tail and was very, very happy. His family combed and brushed him lovingly, and he became, once again, a white dog with black spots. Isn't that great? It was wonderful to be home. After dinner, Harry fell asleep in his favorite place, happily dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly, he didn't even feel the scrubbing brush he'd hidden under his pillow. Wasn't that fun? Do you like having a bath? Some people do, some people don't. Harry didn't until he needed one. I hope you enjoyed this book. I hope you'll join me again sometime. If your grown-ups want more information about this book, they'll find that in the show notes. Bye-bye.